Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, purple color, red color, dark blue color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, light green color, teal color, yellow color, brown color, maroon color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A for elevator. B for banana. C for candy. D for door. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for heart. I for ice. J for jam. K for kids. L for lotus. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 8. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9. Number 10. Number 10. Number 11. Number 11. Number 12. Number 12. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, H, I, J, K, L. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, yellow color, black color, pink color, green color, red color, violet color, sky blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Purple color. A for avocado. A for ant. Green color. B for birds. B for box. Red color. C for candy. C for cherry. Pink color. Number 1. Number 1. O and E. 1. Violet color. Number 2. Number 2. TWO 2. Yellow color. Number 3. Number 3. THREE 3. A for avocado. B for birds. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, black color, red color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Red color, triangle, light green color, square, yellow color, circle, violet color, hexagon, purple color, star, sky blue color, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.